Returning to Big Bayou one moonless June night with a depleted spotlight battery, I ran into a piling. You can see the damaged fiberglass here. My canoe would make a good work platform, but first I had to repair the tie point at one end. That involved fiberglassing a triangle of wood under this trim and putting in a new screw eye. I started grinding the damaged fiberglass, but discovered the canoe was leaking. I had to stop and fiberglass the bottom of the canoe before I could get back to work on Sundance. 5 or 6 layers of fiberglass and epoxy went on, got sanded flush, and were painted to complete the repair.